Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and a quick backup of any network configs. This avoids accidental loss. Open services. MSC Now, find every killer network service instance and stop them immediately so they do not block files. Once done, set their startup type to disabled to prevent auto-restart while you uninstall. This approach ensures files are free to remove and explains why stopping the service first prevents file lock errors and driver conflicts during removal. You now remove the main software and drivers. Open Settings Apps or Control Panel and uninstall any killer-branded applications. This removes UI and helper components. Next, open Device Manager, enable Show Hidden Devices, and uninstall killer network adapters, plus delete driver software when prompted. If Windows refuses due to locked files, reboot into safe mode and repeat. Safe mode prevents most services from loading, which is why it lets you remove stubborn drivers without interference, making the middle step. Finish by deleting residual folders and program files and program data, and if comfortable, remove specific killer registry keys. This cleans traces that can cause reinstallation issues. Open an elevated command prompt and run sc delete service name for each remaining service name to remove registry service entries. Reboot normally, verify network function, and reinstall alternative drivers if needed. If you still see problems, the key troubleshooting tip is to roll back the network adapter driver or use system, restore to a point before the killer software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.